Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to study about energy. What is energy? You all have some energy to study. You all have some energy to work. Every living thing and non-living thing have some energy in it. So we will discuss what is energy and what are its laws and principles. Okay, what is energy? Energy in physics, the capacity to for doing work. If you are doing some work, the capacity for doing work is known as energy. If you have some energy, you can lift up some pencil, some pen, some stone. The capacity for doing some work is known as energy. What are the types of energy? It may be exist in potential, kinetic, thermal, electrical, chemical, nuclear, or other various forms. Energy is exist in many forms. For an example, the water at the dam. In the dam, the water is kept by building the barrage. So the water is in still condition. It is in still condition. It is having some potential energy in it, because when that potential energy of the water we utilize, we give a stream, we give a way, give a channel to it, so that the water will fall on the turbine, so that potential energy will be transferred to the kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy now transferred into mechanical energy, so that the wheel of the turbine rotates. So that mechanical energy once transferred into electrical energy. So these are the transformation of energy. These are the laws and principles. What are those laws of energy? We will study now. What are those laws? Laws of conservation of energy. What laws of conservation of energy state? As I have told you, energy is transferred to from one form to another. So there is no loss of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. You can never create energy, you can never destroy energy. It only transforms from one form to another. See in this picture, this is a petrol pump. So petrol, in the petrol, the chemical energy is stored. When we put petrol in our car, that converts from chemical energy to mechanical energy, so that the car will run. Okay, in this tree an apple is here, an apple is located here, so the apple is in still condition. So that means the apple have some potential energy. When the apple falls to the ground, it will have some kinetic energy. So we'll discuss what is potential and kinetic energy in other chapter. So now what is the laws of conservation of energy? If you take all forms of energy into account, the total energy of an isolated system always remain constant. Isolated system means the system which is isolated from others. Okay, that is isolated, that is not connected to any other system. For an example, take this universe. Our universe is an isolated system from other. So any energy created or any energy destroyed, it only not destroyed, not created. It will only transform from one form to another. In a closed system, a system that is isolated from its surrounding, the total energy of the system is conserved. What does this mean? What does this mean? That energy is conserved. Energy is conserved. Conserved means that energy is neither destroyed nor be created. In a closed system, for an example, you are switching on the torch. the battery in the torch. So the chemical energy in the battery of the torch will be converted to light and heat energy. Okay. Now we will see some examples of law of conservation of energy. So whatever I told you the example, that is, this is written in the torch. The chemical energy of the batteries is converted into electrical energy, which is converted into light and heat energy. So you have seen that energy is always converted to one form to another, so it is neither destroyed in any way. Okay. In hydroelectric power plant, water pollutants, what I have told you, that is one written. In hydroelectric power plant, water in the dam which will be fall on the turbine from a height. This in turn rotates the turbine and generate electricity. Hence the potential energy water is converted into kinetic energy of the turbine, which is further converted into electrical energy. Okay. In the loudspeaker, electrical energy is converted into sound energy. Loudspeaker, you put on electricity, and when the sound you will speak in the mic, that electrical energy converted into sound energy. In a microphone, you when you speak, your sound energy is converted into electrical energy. In a generator, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. In a generator, what we will do? We rotate the conductor so that the electrical energy will be generated. So how will rotate that conductor? By using mechanical energy. So in the generator, by using mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. In the motor, what we will do? By giving electrical energy, we convert it into mechanical energy. When fuel burnt, chemical energy is converted into heat and light energy. When we burn some wood, the wood is a biomass. It is a chemical energy stored due to photosynthesis. That chemical energy is converted into heat and light energy. Chemical energy from the food which we eat is converted to thermal energy when it is broken down in our body and is used to keep it warm. So when you eat some food, that food has some energy in it, that chemical energy in it. So that chemical energy breaks down to give our body thermal energy, so that it keeps our body warm. Okay, that's it for today. Do like, share, and subscribe. Do comment below if you need any specific topic to be covered, and do search Navodayan 2012. Thank you. Have a good day.